Okay, yes, my name is Karsten. I'm the CEO of G2K. I have a question to all of you. Who of you have been within the last 24 hours at a railway station or in a supermarket or at an airport or even in a stadium? Raise your arms, please. So the rest came by bicycle? Okay, I think that we at G2K, we have developed some interesting answers to get to know, that's what G2K means, get to know your situation, get to know your environment, and get to know your customer. How are we doing this? We have developed a product which we are calling Situational Awareness Builder. This is an endless scalable IoT platform with centralized artificial intelligence, and it's leading to smart action scripting. What do we do? At the end of the day, we are transforming data, unstructured data, into knowledge, which is enabling our clients to think ahead and to generate business value. This business value could be different, could be reducing risk, or also an increase in revenues. Who are we? G2K has been established in 2013, and in the meantime we have 6 global offices, more than 100 employees, and we are dedicated to situational awareness. What is the Situational Awareness Builder all about, our product? First of all, as I mentioned before, we are bringing unstructured data into structured knowledge. This is done by a centralized platform, plus the power of Internet of Things, plus artificial intelligence. Let me make it more easy. We are all surrounded by a lot of sensors, which could be a video camera, which could be an access system. All of these sensors are creating data, and we are putting this silo information into one platform, and this platform brings knowledge to our customers. Let me describe you at 4 cases which we have, or actually are realizing what we are doing, more concrete. For example, for intelligent people and site protection, there is a project currently with the Deutsche Bahn. You might have heard about it. It was just recently mentioned in the Wirtschaftswoche and so on. There we are talking about intelligent people and site protection. Who are the people at the railway station? Has been someone falling into the track system? Or could it be a dangerous situation even that we are close to have probably, I don't want to paint too black, a terrorist attack? At the same time, we can use the same platform, our Situational Awareness Builder, in supermarket chains, for example, for intelligent rack management and planograms. That's what we are already installing with several supermarket chains, by the way, worldwide. Another use case we are currently working on is together with SAP. It's an intelligent access control and safety check system for their customers, for example, operating in the oil and gas industry. Last but not least, several big and well-known sports clubs or even sport authorizations like La Liga and so on in Spain, they are using our SAP as a tool for predictive data analytics. What we have built, to summarize this, is a standardized SAP platform for several markets, and within these markets we have several use cases. What's very important, which I would like to mention, is that these use cases are not coming from us. These use cases are coming from our global operating partners. Only to name some, it's like Microsoft, SAP, NEC, Huawei, and so on. These partners also are pushing currently G2K into internationalization. This push is coming from NEC or for IBM. For example, IBM is working on a huge program in Saudi Arabia. We're talking there about 24 airports, and they're basing their technologies on our SAB platform for this project. Or Huawei. Huawei has several open labs around the world where they show their capabilities to their customers, especially if it comes to smart cities. And we, G2K, we have achieved that we are the partner of Huawei for smart cities, and they have integrated us into their open labs worldwide. This is a challenge. We are working on it, and I will make a comment to this later on in the presentation. What did we achieve so far as a company? We have, over the last years, we have an approximately growth of 25% in revenues per year. Our software platform has more than 2 million lines of code. In 2018, we have achieved 17.4 million in revenues, and our aim for this year is approximately 25 million in revenues. Which means that we are 6 years successfully in the market, and this so far only founders financed. Coming back to the partners, you know, these big players like NEC, Fujitsu, or even German players in the facility management market like Visag, these partners, they often own the customers. And our strategy was to set up a very tight relationship to these partners to bring our solutions through the partners fast into the market. Which means in the consequence, our business currently is a pure B2B business, but the clients in the background, I've already mentioned a couple, are HBB, which is a big shopping mall operator in Germany, or SAP already mentioned, or the BMW world in Munich, and so on and so on. Our vision is that we as G2K, we want to be the leading company in the world for situational awareness for situations which I just described in these different mentioned markets. We are very convinced that in this highly complex and dynamic world, there's one thing crucial, there's one competence our customers, the end customers, have to achieve, and that's predictability. We are, as G2K, we are in the middle of an M&A process currently. So far, the company, as I mentioned, has been funded by the 2 founders. One of them, it's me, and some family and friends members. Now we are looking for the right partner for the growth which we have to tackle. Our partner for this is IEG. If you have any further questions regarding our business plan, regarding our targets, I think the advisors are more than willing to share this information with you. They have a booth, and their booth is located at P3. It's fascinating because P stands for Porsche and it's next to Porsche. Yeah? Thanks.